I was really amazed by the landscape here in the Basque Country, and also I was very surprised about the people and their kindness. It really impressed me, the Basque language and the amount of people they speak it. First, I found out the object of my project, which was the Argizaiola. It's a special ethnographic object in the Basque Country, and I made some research, both theoretically and visually, and then I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I knew that I wanted to do something with this object because I felt the connection. This project was mainly about letting things go, what things no longer serve us in the present and the future. So it's kind of, this project was about letting the past go. It was some kind of therapy for me, and I wanted to make some kind of group therapy for the people. The final result was a performance, which I never thought that I will do during my artistic process. I think every ritual has some kind of connection. So it's not just about my homeland and the Basque Country, but I think that every ritual connected to one's life has something in common. We use the candle, the light, during the festivities of the Day of the Dead, and I think it's a very basic example, but I think it's something connected, which is connected in every culture, more or less. The candle, the light, to lead the way of the soul. It made me feel that this project, what I developed, really made some sense, not just for me, but also for the other people, for the participants. I believe that there are many possibilities what you might not know about. So I've learned that you should really trust yourself and trust the future, what you can do as an artist.